Okay, Tony, we have speed. In 3, 2, 1. And you are live.
I'm Tony, back with more drone pilot business strategies. Some drone pilots wonder if formal contracts are really necessary for a small drone service business. What do you think? Do you question whether investing in legal services is really worth it? In this episode, we're going to uncover some of the challenges that some small drone operators like you and I face when it comes to professional agreements. How can a simple contract make sense when it comes to operating more safely and more profitably? In this special issue of Drone Business Strategy magazine, I'm going to provide you with a free small business drone contract template download. More information on that a little later as we explore essential strategies and insights to help elevate our drone service businesses to peak performance. Thanks for joining us. Welcome to another episode of Drone Business Strategy Magazine. Today's topic comes courtesy of CJ, one of our thoughtful viewers and a content creator from across the pond. CJ has asked a very pertinent question about the necessity and practicality of having formal agreements or contracts for drone services. Specifically, CJ wonders if small operators need to invest in legal services to create these contracts and what the legalities really are. CJ writes, and I paraphrase, "Hi Tony, I'm a big fan. I wonder if you'd be kind enough to give support regarding agreements or contracts. Seems to be a black art to have something in place for the client. Do small operators really need to have legal time spent to have what they do written up? I'd be interested to know your opinion on this. Thanks and regards, CJ." CJ, thank you for the love and encouragement. I adamantly agree with you. This is an essential topic that every drone pilot for profit must consider as they continue to build their drone service operations.
Hey, Christina. Sorry to bother you. I got your quote ready, though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, come on over here. I'll show you this quote right here. It's a quote, not a contract.
Oh, okay.
Just a quote, not a contract. Just come if you want to come over here and take a look at it.
Yeah, I didn't know I've never signed a quote before.
Yeah, you got to sign off on these quotes to make sure that we're both, transparent with each other, of course.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to lie to you. Lie to you
Sure.
and you know what I mean? That way you know what's going on. Just sign right there.
All right.
And just initial.
Okay.
All right. You're going to be leaving half of this deposit cash or card? We
No.
prefer cash. I'll give you a little bit of discount if you need that. I'll give you a discount if you pay with cash.
You just
Maybe
said it was
3.
just a quote. I'm not putting anything down.
Did I say quote?
Yeah.
Oh, no, honey. You signed the contract.
CJ's query highlights a common concern among small drone operators like us, whether formal contracts are even necessary and what they should include. The uncertainty around investing in legal services and understanding the legalities of drone operations is a significant issue. I have a question for you. Why do contracts matter? Well, contracts are vital for setting clear expectations and protecting both parties involved. Contracts also convey a greater sense of professionalism, trust, and credibility for our brand. They define the scope of work, payment terms, liability, and other key details, helping to prevent misunderstandings and disputes. If you're a small drone business operator, having a written agreement is beneficial. It ensures that both you and your client are aligned on the services provided and offers a degree of legal protection. Crafting a solid contract involves addressing several key elements to ensure clarity and protection for both our aerial agencies and for our valued clients. In this section, we're going to cover the essential components that should be included in every drone service agreement. We'll start with defining the scope of work and move through the payment terms. We'll check in with liability and insurance, cancellation policies, and intellectual property rights. Each element plays a crucial role in setting clear expectations and avoiding disputes. First, define the scope of the aerial operation. Comprehensively convey the specific services that will be provided, including which deliverables, along with all pertinent timelines. Next, include payment terms. Clearly specify the precise payment amount, the payment schedule, and methods to avoid payment issues or penalties. Relative to liability and insurance, outline responsibilities and include any necessary insurance coverage detail for potential risks and damages. What will your cancellation policy be? Detail all terms and conditions for cancellation or rescheduling considerations to protect both parties. When it comes to intellectual property rights, clarify who owns the footage or data collected during the job, which intellectual property license will be issued. The top 3 licensing options commonly used by media creators are rights managed, which offers specific usage rights for controlled purposes, royalty-free, allowing multiple uses with a one-time fee, and an exclusive licensing, which grants sole usage rights to a single client. Licensing can also be a one-off on a per-client basis or per-job basis, or we might even choose to always use one of the methods as our agency's universal licensing model. As we put together our drone service contracts, it's crucial to address legal considerations to protect our business and ensure compliance. In conjunction with compliance and regulations, we want to ensure your contract reflects compliance with local drone regulations and laws. In tandem with insurance requisites, be sure to carefully consider any insurance factors. Let's consider cost versus benefit between paying for legal consultation and using freely distributed contract templates and resources. Which method will be right for us? Let's take a look at both sides of the spectrum. While consulting a legal professional involves a cost, it's a worthwhile investment. A lawyer can draft a contract tailored to your needs, covering all essential aspects and ensuring legal compliance. One attorney you may opt to reach out to for drone legal assistance is Jonathan Rupprecht, Esquire. Jonathan is a Florida-based FAA commercial pilot, an FAA flight instructor, and an aviation attorney who focuses on drones. Jonathan's also a published author on the topic of drones, and I've read many of his articles and found them to be quite useful. If you'd like to reach out to Jonathan, you'll find his contact information in today's program liner notes. What about templates and other free resources out there? For those on a budget, online resources and contract templates can be a practical starting point. However, these offering types will likely not be as comprehensive as a professionally drafted custom contract. Based on my experience and from an academic standpoint, it's advisable for small drone operators to invest in at least a basic contract to protect their business and clarify terms with their clients. Whether we opt to use a free template or pay for professional legal advice, having a written agreement is a prudent step for ensuring a smooth and professional business operation. Remember, too, this discussion is intended exclusively for business expansion strategy and should not be construed as legal advice. For specific legal questions or detailed contract needs, always consult with a licensed legal professional. I want to say thank you to CJ for raising this important topic. And that's a wrap for this Drone Pilot Business Strategy session. Why small drone operators need contracts. I have made available for free. It's a download, a small business drone sample contract template for your consideration. Click the link in today's show liner notes. Also, you'll find more information and important links in the description below. In fact, I have written and published over 150 articles related to drone business expansion strategies. Do feel free to help yourself to the many available resources to help fortify your drone service business at aerialnorthwest.com. I hope you found today's insights valuable. If you did, please do click the like button and feel free to subscribe for more practical drone pilot tips and strategies. I will continue to work hard to bring you the best of drone business strategies. Have questions or ideas for future episodes of Drone Pilot Business Strategy Magazine? Let me know. Do drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, I wish you clear skies and fun flights. I'm Tony Marino. Thanks for watching and keep on droning. We might choose to always use one of the methods, sole usage rights to a single.
Cut.
Are aligned on the services provided and offers somewhat of
Cut.
offers that will be provided, including which deliverables along with all the We'll cover the essential components that should be included in every drone service,
Cut.
in every drone. Opt to use a free template or pay for professional legal. If you have any questions, let us know. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you'd like to hire us, you can get more information by visiting aerialnorthwest.com. Be smart, safe, and fly responsibly.